flavor?
Moi,
Strawberry.
Merci. Wait. You should add all this one. Maybe that's not, it's okay. But when you, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 syrup. And all time it will give you a next level. That is the thing over here.
Okay.
If like in Europe you just one.
Just one? No.
No.
Do you want just strawberry or all flavor?
Put all the flavor, every time it will give you most flavors, okay?
Okay.
You will add and add and add, and that will be multiplied. Be careful. Ce qui est non là, et non, ouais, ici, et non, voilà. You don't just focus on you, just make all the videos full, not just focus on the job. Please. Okay? How many you take? One,
Just
two?
one, just one.
Just one. Okay.
How much?
50. Some tamarin, no?
No.
Cosa? Sa tua dia lagi tekin jadi pas pindah di sawah dah lagi sini so.
Leka.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tasty.
Tasty. What do you think? Yummy.
Phenom. Yep. Delicious, sorry. Hogy is látom.
It's so much better than the normal ice cream. It's not with milk, it's with ice. And the flavors is much better. Yeah.
Also very crunchy.